डियर फ्रेंड्स, आपका सिक्का शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग में स्वागत है। यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। डिक्टेशन 5 सेकंड बाद स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। रेडी, स्टार्ट। फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो ऑफ सेड्रिक स्प्रिंग, he has no claims to supreme cleverness. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow with a very strong belief in himself. He is possibly a bit masterful in his manner, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work. Nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker. Far from it. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself as he lives near me. I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue which should assist him in his business. अब इस डिक्टेशन को दोबारा लिखिएगा और उसमें ही इज की आउटलाइन एक साथ बनाइएगा और ही हैज़ की आउटलाइन में ही अलग और हैज़ अलग लिखिएगा। थैंक्स।